Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel all about Wix. Today we're going to learn how to manage workspace automations. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Client Experience, then go to CRM and Client Billing, and finally go to Automations. This is your automations dashboard. Here you'll see custom automations as well as app automations. To manage an automation, click on the three-dot button next to it, and here you'll find options to enable it or disable it, edit it, duplicate it, rename it, view its run log, view its email stats, archive it, or delete it. You can also click on an automation to open the right panel. And here you'll see information such as when it was created, when it was last edited, its status, as well as its activity, such as its total triggered and last triggered events. So feel free to manage your automations according to the available options you have. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.